Hello and welcome to this video lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to be evaluating functions. And so we can see here several examples of functions that we need to evaluate. Let's look first in our red box. We have the function f of x equals 13x minus 2. And we can see there is a correction for us to make. This should say evaluate f of 3. So we have the function f of x is equal to 13x minus 2. And we want to find out what the function's value is when x is 3. Now, I want you to really look at this notation here. This is called function notation. We have a letter, usually f, but it could be any letter. We have f, and then we have inside the parentheses the variable, the letter, that is the input. So we have function f and the input is x. But when we get down here for the question, we have function f and now the input is 3. That means we replaced the x with 3. And that means you need to do the same thing, replace the x with 3. So you're just going to rewrite this 13. Instead of x, we'll put 3 minus 2. You're just going to work this out using basic order of operations. So 13 times 3 is 39. And then 39 take away 2 is 37. So that would be our answer. F of 3 is 37. Or you can say the function f when the value input is 3 is 37. Let's take a look at our next example in the yellow box here. We're still using f as our function. Notice our function notation says f of x is equal to 14 minus 0.5x. And we're being asked to find the value of the function when x is 30, or f of 30, we could say. Once again, notice the input has changed from x to 30. So all you need to do is the same thing. Replace the x with that input value of 30. So 14 minus 0.5 times 30. Then you just follow order of operations to solve this. So we have 0.5 times 30. It's going to give us 15. So we have 14 minus 15, which gives us negative 1. So f of 30 is negative 1. So let's do a couple more problems. In the green box here, notice we've changed our function name now. We're using the function h, but that doesn't matter. We're still going to solve this the same way. We have h of t. That means t is our input variable. Once again, t has been replaced with 35. So you replace t with 35. So 50 minus 35 over 5. Use order of operations. We'll do division first. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 50 minus 7 is 43. So our answer here is 43 for h of 35. Last one, we will take a look at k of x. Again, k is our function, x is our input value, and we are replacing the x with a negative 5. You do the same thing. So we'll do 6 times negative 5 plus 100. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30, plus 100 gives us a value of 70. So k of negative 5 is positive 70. Okay? And that is how we evaluate functions.